Hello and welcome, and I have just opened a cupboard door. And today I am also going to be chainsawing that wall, which is off camera, for reasons that I shall explain in about 10 seconds, because I really do hate it. Indeed. Now, let me just also tell you why. It's because in case there's any accidents, of course, with fingers and whatever, hands and wrists and whatever, I can't really upload it to YouTube, so that would be a big disappointment on your behalf. Anyway, let's see then. Alright, here it is. Alright, let's see if I can get this fired up. Here we go. Let's try again. Third time lucky. There we go. Now let's have a look at the damage then, shall we? I fooled you yet again with my videos. As you can see, there is no dent in the wall.